How to transfer funds between wallets on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to transfer funds between wallets on Unocoin application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To transfer the funds between wallets on Unocoin, open the app and log into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on More at the bottom right corner. Then select Wallets. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Tap and withdraw. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. If you are sending funds to another Unocoin user, you can select the registered mobile number instead. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and review the transaction's details. Once confirmed, tap Submit. You may be asked to enter an OTP sent to your registered mobile number for security. After verification, your funds will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. Please note that network fees may apply depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to transfer funds between wallets on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.